Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another video at Dubai Expo 2020, and today we are gonna explore together the Campus Germany Pavilion.
Welcome to Germany Pavilion, an engaging look at an environmental trailblazer. The Germany Pavilion includes architecture, events, exhibitions, food and beverage, kids' activities, and technology. A performance stage providing cultural entertainment. Learn at Campus Germany. The entertainment-focused pavilion will showcase German innovations and sustainable solutions. Visitors can wear cutting-edge connected devices as they explore themed areas including the Energy Lab, the Future City Lab, and the Biodiversity Lab.
Germany for kids. Children are the future, so they are very important guests at Campus Germany. With the support of world-famous children's TV host Armin Maywald, we have developed playful and fun exhibits that will help explain the world to both young and old alike.
Campus Germany. Enroll at Campus Germany for an entertaining, surprising hands-on digital experience. Based around a campus theme, Germany's pavilion will blend creative environmental ideas for real-life results.
As well, there are lots of games in the Campus Germany Pavilion. Energy Day, birthplace of the energy revolution. Greener energy, 35% target for 2020 achieved earlier than expected. Nature abounds, 360,000 square kilometers of diversity from islands to Alps. graduation hall will feature swinging seats to symbolize the world coming together. Visitors will be tasked with swinging the seats in unison to reflect how great things can be achieved by acting together, showing there is more that unites than divides. Germany, the restaurant at Campus Germany. Try typical German dishes such as currywurst, Sauerbraten beef with Spatzel pasta, red cabbage and apple, or Konigas burger clubs, meatballs with caper sauce and rice, and the Russian dishes such as Maltese ravioli with julienne vegetables and potato salad. Hope you all enjoyed this video.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel,
and press the bell icon and subscribe button for the notification and updates on our next videos. It's Arsham Faizan signing off from Bloomingdale's.